Hi, I'm Shekhar Kapoor. I manage multi-die solution at Synopsys in my role as product management. There are certain limitations that the traditional monolithic chips are facing. One is around the transistor scaling. So going from one node to the other, Moore's law is slowing. You have diminishing returns for moving to a newer node with a monolithic die. Reticle sizes is, of course, a known lot has been written about that, is a big problem. When you start growing the die sizes, you get into yield problems, cost comes into the play. So that creates challenges in continuing with the large monolithic dies. The big problem or the big incentive that is emerging is to get around this I/O limitations. The applications that are driving this is really the AI and HPC, and they demand huge bandwidth at low latency, which is not really possible to deliver with monolithic anymore, and hence the demand for multi-die. Driving this is really the Gen AI and all these advanced AI workloads which are driving this demand for unprecedented performance, bandwidth. So you need multi-die solutions to address that demand. Multi-die enables to bring in multiples, tens to hundreds of dies together into a single package. Many of these applications, are working for training of large language models, huge data models, which have like trillions of parameters. To really train such models, you need a lot of compute power, a lot of memory resources. So one fundamental thing that Synopsys is really focused on is, as customers are moving on this journey, how we can accelerate it for them, how we can make it easier for them to transition from system of chip to this new system of chiplets world. To be able to do that, you have to look at the whole solution in a very holistic way. So where Synopsys is trying to help is provide more holistic solutions, end-to-end solutions, which really starts right at the architecture level. When you think about multi-die, it's not just about hardware. It's really also getting the software ready. And then architecture exploration, we have technologies which allow you to partition, disaggregate, and come to the more optimal architectures. And then also this whole 2D to 3D continuum where you have a unified solution from an implementation point of view that allows you to visualize, build, and all optimize in one place. And of course, on Synopsys side, we're bringing our decades of experience in IP to deliver these UCI files and controllers, the full solution around it, and also adding the key capabilities from a test and silicon lifecycle management, even security point of view, to make it even more viable, more compelling to meet the demands that we see.